Hey everybody, hope you're all well and staying cool and staying safe. It's going to be a very quick video. It's something I meant to do a little while ago. This is a PlayStation 4 and it's probably a trick a lot of people know about, but because I've got it open I just thought I'd show you. This machine was bought off eBay with white light of death, which is basically the HDMI chip, which I replaced. When I plugged it in, it showed a blue light of death. Blue light of death most of the time is caused by the fact that the APU, which is the processor, which is this thing under here, has got broken solder balls underneath it. It's not quite touching. And one of the tricks that I found on the internet was to literally unscrew the retaining bracket for the APU and put two washers like this. You'd start with one washer each side and try it. That doesn't work, two washers each side, and do it up. And what you'll find is that sometimes it will come back because it's putting pressure on the solder balls just enough to make it go. Now this has been going for about 2 years. I just bought a copy of The Last of Us 2 and it decided to pack up, so that's why it's open. And I thought it'd be a good idea just to show you while it's open. I'm not going to do it now, but all I did was literally tighten that, you know, a 1/16 of a turn, tighten that a 1/16 of a turn, and the thing worked again. So I'll just show you close up there. You can see underneath there's actually two washers under that side, and there's two washers under that side. And I don't know exactly how it works, but you must just bend the board or something to make sure that the all the balls underneath the chip are actually making contact. It's not guaranteed, but it's worth a shot if you've got a board that's blue light of death. So I'm just going to put this back together. Putting it back together, there's a couple of gotchas, and I'll just quickly show you one that just got me. Hopefully I won't kill it in the process. Now this machine is a CUH1116A. This bit of plastic here spreads the light out. It's held on with a bit of tape, and this one's actually come off. It needs to be held exactly correctly and in exactly the correct position on the board. But the main thing is, you could put all this back together, hit the button and it wouldn't work. And you think, oh my god, I've broken it, it's not working, what have I done? And what you've probably done is mangled up the switch. You've got a little bit of metal just there. See there? And what's happening is when you push that, but you can't see it from there, but when you push the switch, that little bit of metal is actually connecting onto this little bit of metal here. So if you get this the wrong way around, like if the plastic comes off and you mangle that bit of metal up inside here, it's not going to touch it. So you need to make sure, and I'll try and show you again, that you got the metal like that. But let's just put that back on. So back goes on first, and then we clip it on like that. Oh, it's just, yeah. So then we've got two screws. I don't know if it had more than that originally, but when I got it, it had two screws. Whoa, see, I've turned it on automatically. Didn't mean to do that, but you can see the switch is working. In fact, I ought to probably just turn that off. Let's just see if it comes up properly. So you can see that's come up. It will work, and then hold the button down again. Off. So the button works. So that's one gotcha. Every time I turn this on now, I'm getting the white light. I'm getting, you know, it's working. Whereas before I just tighten those two little, just a 1/16 of a turn, sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. If I tap the top it would, then it wouldn't, and it never cut out mid-game. But once it was up, it was like it heated up, the board probably flexed a bit and it connected, but getting it going was a pain, and it got progressively more and more of a pain. So that's just hopefully a little tip, hopefully video that helps somebody out there. You know, it's not guaranteed, but you know, if you're halfway through a game and you want to finish the game, it could get you to the end. And as I say, this was 2 years ago. This thing was bought busted anyway, and it's still going strong. And hopefully it will let me play The Last of Us 2. That's just the screw there that holds that top section on. So thanks for watching. Take care. Hope you found that useful, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers. Bye.